It's time for another episode on this series on the top 11 updates to the 2020 Scrum Guide. Today we're talking about the shift from a self-organizing team to a self-managing Scrum team. Previous Scrum Guides referred to the Scrum development team as a self-organizing team, meaning the developers decide amongst themselves the tasks needed to accomplish the work and who will work on them to build a product increment and deliver on the sprint goal. So the development team determines the who and the how, while the product owner determines the what by regularly reordering the product backlog. The difference between self-managing and self-organizing is around the what. With self-organizing teams, someone else determines the what, while the team determines the how and the who. With self-managing teams, the team owns the how, who, as well as the what. Since the 2020 Scrum Guide is emphasizing the one terminology that includes the three accountabilities of the product owner, the Scrum Master, and the developers, a better description for the Scrum team is that it is self-managing, since the product owner is part of the team that determines what to work on. So now the Scrum team determines what to work on, how to do it, and who will accomplish it. Do you agree that self-managing is a better description? Let me know what you think in the comments, and stay tuned for our next episode. Read the accompanying blog post for more detailed information. See you next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe.